Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice exponential equation problem, and we have 4 to the power of minus x equals x. So we find the value of x if our x is an real number. Okay, so now the very first thing we are going to do is here first we focus on this term and we apply the natural log on both of the sides of this term. So when we apply natural log on this term, it will be written as log of 4 to the power of minus x equals log of x. So here we apply the nice property of log, and our this exponent will become in the front of this log, and it will be written as minus x into log 4 equals log of x. So further in the next step, here we need to move this x to the right hand side, so that now we divide x on both of the sides of the above equation. So after dividing both sides by x, our above equation is written as minus x log 4 divided by x equals log of x divided by x. So further in the next step, you see here this x is cancelled out by this x, and it will be written as minus log of 4 equals log of x divided by x. And now you see here we write this x in this form. So here you know about the properties of log and antilog. If you have this is x, we write this x as e to the power of log x. It means that if you can apply e and log on the same time on this term, then it will be cancelled by each other and you again get x. So it means that we write this x in this form. Okay, so we rewrite this expression as in this form, minus log of 4 equals log of x divided by e to the power of log of x. Okay, we apply log and anti-log on this term and we write in this way. And now after that, here we move this e log x to the upsides, and it will be written as minus log 4 equals log of x multiplied by e to the power of minus log x. Here we apply the nice property of exponent, and when we move this e log x to the upside, it will becomes e to the power of minus log x. And after that, here we just apply the Lambert W function, but first we move this minus to the right hand side. So you get log of 4 equals minus log x multiplied by e to the power of minus log x. Okay, so after that, here we need to explain about the Lambert W function. So you know that the standard form of Lambert W function is written as in this form: w, if you have w of a into e to the power of a, so this will be written as a. It means that the terms on exponent of e and these two terms are looks like same. So if these two terms are same, then we apply the Lambert W function, and the output of this type of function will be equals to a only. Okay, so if I can write the particular example of this type of Lambert W function, if you have w of 3 into e to the power of 3, then the output of this type of function will becomes 3. Similarly, if you have Lambert W function of 10 into e to the power of 10, so the output of this type of function will becomes 10. And if you have a Lambert W function of 15 into e to the power of 15, then it will be written as 15. Okay, so here now we're ready to apply the Lambert W function to the above equation, so that our above equation is written as w of log 4 equals w of minus log x into e to the power of minus log x. Okay, so now in the right hand side, first we focus in the right hand side. So according to this rule, the output of this type of function will becomes minus log x. So here we write this w of log 4. So now we rewrite this expression as log of this is 4, and we write this 4 as 2 squared, and here we apply the property of log, and it will be written as, we move this 2 in the front of this log, and it will becomes 2 times of log 2 equals minus log x. So here we write this fact. If we can write this x equals e to the power of log x, similarly we write this 2 equals e to the power of log 2. So that now we rewrite this 2 as in this form, w of e to the power of log 2 into this is log of 2 equals minus log x. Okay, so here we need some working on this term, and we write it as here again we apply the Lambert W function on this term, and the output of this term is equals to log 2 equals minus log x. So because here we solve this problem for the values of x, so that here we need to eliminate this log, and now we apply the property of log, and we will move this negative sign to the exponent of this x, and it will be written as log of x inverse. In the left hand side we have log 2, and now here in order to remove this log 2, we need to take the anti-log on both of the sides, and it will becomes e to the power of log 2 equals e to the power of log x inverse. So this e and log are cancelled by each other, and you get in the left hand side is 2 equals this is x inverse. So we write this x inverse as 1 over x equals 2. So here we interchange these values. We move this 2 in the right hand side, and we move this x in the left hand side. So this equation is implies that x equals 1 over 2. So this is the final value of x in this problem. Now we check this value. Is this value of x is satisfied our given equation or not? So we have the value of x is 1 over 2, and our given equation is 4 to the power of minus x equals x. So here we verify this equation. So now we substitute this value of x on both of the sides of this equation, and it will be written as 4 to the power of minus 1 over 2 equals 1 over 2. Here we check is this are equal or not. So we write this 4 as 2 squared, and its exponent is minus 1 over 2. We check that is this equals 1 over 2 or not. So these 2 and 2 are cancelled by each other, and you get 2 inverse, and you will check is this equals 1 over 2 or not. So this 2 inverse is written as 1 over 2. Is this equals to 1 over 2 or not? Okay, so you see here both of the sides are equal, so it means that the value of x equals 1 over 2 satisfy the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.